Is there a TV code lookup app that I can use on my smartphone?
Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today, we are exploring an interesting topic: TV code lookup applications for smartphones. In our digital world, where smartphones have become a universal remote for virtually everything, why should your television be any different? Let's see how you can simplify your life with these handy tools.
What is a TV code lookup app?
A TV code lookup app is a handy tool that transforms your smartphone into a universal remote. These apps can control different brands of TVs, and all they require is the specific TV code to sync with the device. With these codes, you can change channels, adjust volume, navigate menus, and so much more, right from your smartphone.
Are there TV code lookup apps available?
Yes, there absolutely are. As of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, there are several apps available on both the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. Some examples include AnyMote, Shure Universal Remote, Peel Universal Smart TV Remote, and others. These applications are regularly updated to support the latest TV models and brands.
How to use these apps?
To use these apps, you simply need to download the app, select your TV brand, and input the specific TV code. Once done, your smartphone should be able to control your TV. Most of these apps will provide a digital remote interface on your phone screen, resembling the layout of a traditional TV remote. Remember, you'll need to make sure your smartphone and TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network if the app operates using Wi-Fi, or be in range if it operates using infrared. So there you have it. With the right app, you can make your smartphone a truly universal remote, controlling your TV with ease. Remember, the TV code is key to ensuring that your smartphone syncs with your TV brand and model. We hope you found this video helpful and that you're now more equipped to turn your phone into your new favorite remote. Until next time, stay tech savvy.